Tired of overflowing trash bins? That awful smell all over the kitchen? Flies buzzing around, sticky, leaking bags? Feels like you just took the trash out and it's already full again. Did you know that up to 40% of household waste is just food scraps? And they start rotting in as little as 6 hours after cooking. Smells, bacteria, and insects all right there in your kitchen. But do we really have to deal with this every single day? A home composter turns your food scraps into rich, usable compost. Scrimmage bad smells, no insects, non-endless trips to the trash bin. Modern models take up 5 times less space than a regular trash can and fit perfectly even in small kitchens. A cleaner kitchen, fresher air, and 0 bad smells. And that compost? It's natural fertilizer. Your flowers, herbs, and garden will thrive. Less waste, more benefits for you and for the planet. Want to know how to choose the best home composter? Read our full article, link in bio.